Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to create a new project. Let's try it together. After logging into your Coohom account, you can click on the Get Started in the upper right to go directly to the Create Floor Plan page. Here is the quickest way to do it, but we also recommend you try another way. Back to Home page. Click Workspace. This is the central hub for managing and accessing everything related to your designs. On the home page, you can see recent projects and a wide variety of design templates. Design templates support filtering space, style, floor plan, and color, so that you can quickly select the most preferred template. After the filtering is complete, click on Use this one to access the design project. On the Projects page, you can view completed or ongoing projects. Select the project you want to edit and click to enter the design. Of course, you can also click on the Create New Project in the upper right to go directly to the Create Floor Plan page. On this page, you have 3 ways to create a floor plan. If you want to upload your own CAD files or images for drawing, click on Upload Floor Plan. If you have no idea and want to create a blank project, click Create Blank Project. Below are the same idea templates as shown on the home page. And there are also undecorated floor plan templates. Choose your favorite template and click on Free Use to start designing. Click on one of the entries to access the design tools. After entering the design tool, let me introduce you to the overall design tool layout. On the left are different tools sorted according to the operation steps, including creating floor plans, placing models, customizing cabinets, rendering images and exporting drawings, etc. On the right is the Properties panel, where you can adjust many different details or properties. When you design a project, you can develop the habit of saving it in time to prevent part of the design from being lost. Click File in the toolbar above. You can save it directly or save it as a new project. When saving as, you need to name the new project. After successfully saving, you can return to the Projects bar to share, collaborate, rename, duplicate, and delete any of your projects. In the next video, we will continue to learn how to set your preferences. See you soon. That's all. Thanks for watching.